Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data unlimited. You can maximize your connectivity without worrying about overages, which means staying connected on your terms. We will explore key strategies to get the most from your plan, ensuring smooth performance even during peak times. Understanding your network's fair use policy is also essential for maintaining optimal speeds and avoiding unexpected slowdowns, allowing you to stream, browse, and work freely. Many unlimited plans come with a fair usage policy, which specifies a threshold before potential speed reductions. Typically, this can be around 30 to 50 gigabytes of high-speed data per billing cycle. After reaching this limit, your speeds might slow down to 256 kilobits per second, which is still suitable for basic browsing or messaging. Always check your specific plan details to avoid any surprises, ensuring a consistently smooth experience throughout the month. Even with an unlimited plan, optimizing your usage helps maintain consistent speeds, especially during busy network periods. Consider streaming videos in standard definition, around 480 pixels, instead of ultra-high definition, which consumes significantly more data. Always connect to Wi-Fi whenever it is available, at home or in public, to offload heavy tasks like large downloads or system updates. Regularly review and restrict background data usage for apps on your device settings, further preserving your high-speed allowance for essential activities. Using your unlimited data for hotspot tethering is a convenient way to connect other devices, but be mindful of any specific plan limitations. Many plans include a dedicated hotspot allowance, often around 15 to 20 gigabytes of high-speed data, before speeds are reduced. Always monitor your hotspot data usage through your phone settings to avoid reaching this cap unexpectedly. For demanding tasks, always seek a dedicated Wi-Fi connection, ensuring you maintain fast speeds for your primary device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.